do, YouTube? It's your boy D-Ray. And I don't even know what to say right now, man. Cause I'm just astonished at, like, you feel me? Like, today, I'm hosting my first car meet, right? Anybody that know me know I love cars. I mean, this the first of many. With this, bro, I'm trying to be like what it is, like a community type shit. Like, I'm not talking. Let me get dressed. And I'm dressed. You see it? You see it? Y'all see though? Y'all see though? Yeah. Hey man, I need everybody to pop up. This is gonna be the first one. I need everybody to pop up.
You already started that bit?
The vlog.
Yeah, you told them what we doing tonight, man. How you feeling?
I did. I ain't tell them everything, you feel me? I told them, you see, I was hosting my first car meeting. That's all I said. We just gonna skip straight to that. Man, you got what?
You got the chain, man.
I'm boy skipping up the chain. Still in the gallery department. He don't get no fuck.
Money don't change.
That boy say the money don't change. It don't matter how much you get.
No matter how much money we get, we still gonna scrap with the little chain, man. Get on boys with cold start. Do you what? That bitch ain't that loud yet. You couldn't get that bit right there.
That bitch, hey, out here, man. It's just a start. This is the
Don't
beginning.
This
the beginning. Look, man, this is just the beginning right here. I'm telling y'all, I'm starting this shit right now because I want y'all to watch this shit blow. I'm trying to build a community right here. Like, I want us to be, you feel me, locked in. Cause shit, I be seeing all these car communities, other places and shit, and they be like, damn, why we can't have that here where I stay at? So I want to be the nigga that you feel me, build this shit from the ground up. I want everybody to pop out, and this shit can be. I'm gonna have this shit. This ain't even gonna just be no weekend thing. You don't never know when I'm gonna have it, bitch. You feel me? So I'm gonna make my flyers. I'm gonna continue to make them flyers. Them bitch gonna get better and better as we go. And just the vibe, that bitch gonna get better and better as we go. It's up from here. I'm trying to tell y'all. Oh God, we don't care what you in. V6, V12, V8. I don't give a fuck what it is. Pull that bitch up and enjoy yourself. And you feel me? Enjoy the show. Have motherfuckers out enjoying themselves. Shit, we can have bro right here. Pull up, we in. From here on out, you looking at the. Damn, what I'm gonna call this bitch? I still ain't thought no name for this bitch.
Don't need no name either. Like it.
You right. Yeah. This bitch just the meats. We gonna call these bitches the meats right now. Straight like that. What you ain't on?
Nigga all day, bro.
Nigga just had to recuperate. You tired, bro?
I'm ready to spin that bitch.
Yeah, my boy tight. My boy said for the light. What you said for the light? Man, let's get to this shit. This finna be the start of something new in the city right here. I'm finna how you feel about this? How you think they be gonna go?
I ain't gonna lie for you. I just wanna, you know.
Hey, that's what you wanna put. He just wanna put on the show.
I ain't cutting up no more after the day though. This my last day, man.
You say that? He said that now. That nigga ain't saying that bit now.
I gotta go on my 90-day run again, man.
He saying that bit now. As soon as I had it next, he gonna be right back out there, man. Look, he not.
Man, I like to send the crib now, man.
It sound good. It sound.
I gotta take a little break, man. That bitch do spin though.
That's my hand. You moving that bit. It's easy to move that bit with that bit.
I make sure y'all add me, man. I'm single, man. I need me a little woo.
He ain't just no bum man nigga either now. You see one boy Ryan in now, so he need bad bitches only. Bad bitches only, man.
Pockets can't touch either.
Hey, come on now. But real shit. Real shit. We finna do one more thing, then we head to the spot. But shit, when we get there, we finna get a first grand entrance. And for whoever there before us, cause that's some real ass shit. If you beat me to my own shit, I ain't even gonna lie. You beat me to my own shit, I gotta give you a grand entrance. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's just love right there. I gotta give you a grand entrance out of love. Always remember, safety first. Put your seatbelts on. And for my people that's gonna be out there spinning today, please put your seatbelts on. I don't need nobody flipping that shit. I don't need nobody, you feel me? And if you don't know how to spin yet, wait your turn. Wait your turn, cause I promise you, it's gonna be a time for you to spin. I'm gonna give everybody time to shine. I wanna see all my people. I wanna see all y'all talents. I wanna see all y'all bills. I don't give a fuck what it is. That bitch can be a 99 Chevy with a Hemi swap. I don't give a fuck. I wanna see that bitch. Bring that bitch out. Let us see it. Let us see what that bitch can do. Shit, I wanna get to the point where I really start giving y'all races, like some shit to actually look forward to. Like just work with me, feel me? Can you stay down and shit? Let me find y'all some spots. When I find y'all some spots, I promise y'all I got y'all some races coming up. I ain't realize to all my people out there that host events, bro. I salute y'all. I salute y'all, bro. Hosting an event is it's a lot of shit, fool. Having to get stress around there, man. We wait on everybody to get here so we can at least get it where people know what's going on. Once people know what's going on, we good. Y'all just trying to switch locations. Appreciate that. Hey, we got motherfucking Suburbans out this bitch signing right. We got bro here in the vault, so I gotta go get his ass. His shit was spin. Hey man. I don't know why I'm yawning, but that's a fucking Volkswagen, bro.
A Volkswagen, Mitsubishi,
Yes, bro.
that been the same damn
That is
thing?
not the same thing.
That bit ain't no charger. I don't know what it is. That just sound like a stick. That's all I heard.
Y'all see that bit now? Just give me a couple more minutes. Give me a couple more minutes. Everybody gonna be out this video gonna be like, hey man, they already getting right. They already getting
They should
right.
buy some water out there, bitch.
I should've. I know them tires can be hot. That bitch sound good right there too. People can't do right for shit.
I want to take you turn the location so bad. I would hate for a nigga.
We got Daytonas out this bitch. I don't know if y'all can see it. We got Daytonas out there. Got Hemmings out this bitch. Hemmings out this bitch. I see that. That'd be nice. Yeah, them boys in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Knock knock. Who's there? Your nightmare. Vlogging, man.
You can't even see his ass. Can't even see his ass. Can't even see his ass. That be like a ghost. I don't know if y'all can see the people down there now. Hey, that boy said line it up. That boy said line it up. That boy, oh shit. Oh, he talking green.
What's wrong? Hey, come on. What's going on? Go ahead, car. I got everything on that bitch.
Talking green.
What? I ain't get no scat. What's that slow? I want to rate that bitch. Come on. Y'all talking too much. Let's go. Let's go. What that bag look like? What? What that bag look like? What bag? We go back to Social Security. Shit. What that? Wait, we can rate? What y'all want to rate? We got SS scat. SS, what y'all got a scat out here?
One of them got a scat right there.
What y'all want to? Oh yeah, them scats ain't nothing. We can do it right now.
Ooh.
I call y'all plug. Y'all niggas ain't talking about nothing. I got it. Stop. Everything stop. Y'all boys. I'm broke as fuck. I got a truck. Truck in the Corona.
He's sipping on that bitch too.
We got everything. We pop the hood for y'all. What y'all want to do? Y'all get this shit on YouTube. Now y'all better get this shit on YouTube.
Hey, if y'all know how to drive, you better have your bed drive. I ain't gonna play.
And we could be.
Yeah, boy, got Mustangs and all that shit.
We'll do that. SS scat. And we got old school. Y'all want to rate that too?
So we y'all?
I ain't rich.
So we finna, ain't nobody gonna race it? Ain't nobody gonna race it?
I ain't even got 20.
I just only getting a 40.
You
got 20, I got 10.
Shit, I ain't even got that. I got $2. What this is?
Bro, that's a $20 bill.
Hey, I got some.
You got another Rona?
Yeah, man, I ain't got shit.
That boy said he trying to race you for the Rona.
No, I ain't like that.
I ain't gonna lie. Y'all don't want to rape.
Y'all ain't trying to do nothing?
We just trying to have fun.
That's all it is. You feel me?
Hey,
Everybody been trying to have fun, enjoy the time.
Anybody got a scat? All the scats over there, them niggas over there showing, you know, scat nigga like the, you feel me? Doing scat nigga things.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
He ain't in line. You just gonna stay over there with all the rich folks. Hello.
I got slow cars over there.
What a slow car is?
I got a little tiny 5.
Fuck that is.
Let's go. Y'all, come on, y'all. Let's walk.
What about that ZL1?
Fuck that ZL1.
So the fastest right here?
I know this shit's slow out of fast shit.
Wow. I heard the opposite.
Oh, they say all the fast shit over here?
Yeah, that's why I came out here.
Hey, I need to park over here. Then. I got he got essentials.
You feel me? With the mocha warm, like
Tiny as shit. No.
that nigga said not the Corvette, the BMW.
You can get the BMW.
Shit, he talking greasy.
Yeah, they record this shit, man. You feel me? All the fast shit over there. They slow ass cars over there. Oh, they GT?
GT.
Stock wheel. 255, I think.
Hold on. Hold on.
No, those 3 people.
Don't do the over here to the car, bro.
Because I want to see it run.
Y'all scared me, y'all scared.
Y'all scared.
Y'all scared. Y'all scared me. Y'all
Coming out here to race.
I ain't.
It ain't no. Hey man, so who go out and
I'll show you
up?
everything. Stock exhaust, everything.
Yeah, this shit stock too.
Line it up.
So
Cats, then.
both of y'all line it up.
Who?
What's wrong with y'all racing against each other?
Him?
Yeah.
Fast.
Oh, he'll
Ask him how much he wants to race.
He gonna beat him though. He gonna beat him bad.
Oh yeah, it's not fast.
No doubt.
See, look, he's racing by himself.
We're on stock.
He just trying to bait them skates in because they scary. And shit.
He's a scatter. He okay.
Scats are slow.
So who gonna race, man? Everybody just in here licking.
Just came out here to have a motherfucking meet and greet.
Yeah.
He trying to line it up with somebody. That ain't right on the back of that, but you straight? He right on the back of that bitch. I'm on mama. The Genesis up. Hold on. Before y'all get there, y'all know how to drive, right? I don't need nobody wrecking shit. Y'all know how to drive, right? I don't need nobody wrecking shit, alright? I don't want nobody getting hurt out there, alright?
Come on, son, bro. Come on, a little bit more, Jay. Come on.
Hit that bitch again. Hit that bitch again. Hit it again. Fucking come on, y'all. I was gonna say baby here, you got left by He say he revving the engine, race that bitch. They want to see that bitch in action. That bitch sound good. We gotta see how that bitch run. Hold on. Oh yeah, them bitches out now.
Yeah, that's who I'm waiting for.
We at them now. Oh yeah, race them. Oh hell no! What's in that? Oh! That bitch sounds so good. Oh my god! Oh my god! This bitch sounds so good.
I think it's a BMW.
That's definitely a BMW. BMW versus this is the match of the night right here. ZL1 versus BMW. Can I ask you one question? What's all in this motherfucker?
It's a tune and a downpipe.
Tune and downpipe.
That's it.
That's it. Y'all see the intakes in that bitch? Y'all see, oh my god, this bitch beautiful as fuck. I can't even see it, but this bitch looks so nice, but y'all heard it, but don't need to see me. I'm just talking shit.
Hey, you guys. Hi. Hello.
No, it's zoomed in.
Don't zoom in.
I know. It was finna die.
Hey, man. What's up? Y'all, subscribe to our YouTube. That's just not on that.
Vlogging, man. What you gotta say to the vlog today? What you gotta say to the vlog today?
I ain't really got nothing to say today, bro.
We need some motivational words, man.
All I gotta say, man, just stay up, man.
Stay up.
Get money.
I know I need
Like I said, stay up and get money, man.
That's all that matters.
Real from your boy, T.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Real shit. Yeah. What you got to do? I ain't gonna count. I ain't gonna count. Listen, you blew. No, what it was, you fucked up. It's like you started, then you stopped, then you started.
Like I was trying to, like my gears were changing.
You got V6 too.
Oh God.
You gotta be just playing.
Hey, what a key. It's on me.
You talking about it's on me.
I'm trying to play some music, man. Look, head on him.
What you said, baby? What you said?
Hey, I ain't gotta be here. I'm trying to race a V6.
I'm gonna try to stay in the lane. You trying to stay in it? You're a smart man. You're a smart man.
I can beat some heavies now.
Look, he just gotta know which one. It's just a driver.
He said you gonna gap him.
Gap him?
Yeah. Y'all got the same motor, bro. Your shit fast as fuck, bro.
You know what I'm saying, bro? When I start,
Hey, Nazir.
Oh yeah, baby. He's stalling.
Tay told me to try to name. That's why I'm losing. I know, bro. I'm saying, bro, that shit is.
Stop driving the damn car.
Listen, baby head, drive how you drive, fool. Drive how you drive, fool.